Her up. I'm gonna go ahead and take her on back over there to the shop. See how she drives. Hopefully she'll crank. Hopefully. You need some gas on. I don't like the way that looks. It don't look like it's gonna crank. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Woo! Fire straight on up. Figure out what that PMS light is. And we got a low coolant, so we're gonna add some coolant to it. Still got plenty of gas into it and everything. You know, it got the little aftermarket radio in here. I think the aftermarket radio works, and then it got this little digital one right up here. I hope y'all ready. Here she is. 3, 2, 1. There she is right there. All right, she's looking all good now. We got the front bumper on to this one here, and then we got our splitter right there in the back over there. We're gonna do some more work to this one here. This is her right now, and y'all just look at some of our previous short videos. You'll see where this car here came from, and she's still got a pretty ways of a journey going through. Customer wants to go ahead and do some other stuff to it, so we're gonna do a whole customization on this car here. So we're standing there with this one here. We're gonna be changing the seats and everything into it, steering column, adding a splitter here, you know, front end. We're gonna do the diffusers, all of that stuff. So yeah, this is her right here. Y'all just stick around, see more that's coming. They look good next to each other. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this car to Hyundai, and we're gonna have them to go ahead and make sure that they clear all the recall issues on this car here, and hopefully that's gonna, you know, make sure that the next person or the owner of this is gonna be solid. So what we're gonna do right now, got a boy following me, so go ahead and drop it off over there. First time it's been on the road, I gotta roll the windows down, so that's the reason why I'm gonna keep cutting in and out on these videos, on this video part, because it's hot in this car, and I'm not gonna smother myself. So, it's the first time it's been on the road. This car does want to take off though. Just fine. We got no issues. for now. Yeah.
They're gonna do me the biggest favor of my life. I want
Fix the issues that you ain't gotta pay to get fixed.
Yeah, and then here's a bigger issue. Here's a bigger thing.
The next day.
Alright, we got the Hyundai Genesis Coupe back. Almost $400 in repairs. It's $400 that we didn't have to come up off of, which is a good thing for us. So, let's see. Yeah, let's see how she rides. Huh. Okay. There's a little steering lock, twin hook. Okay. I see y'all. All right, so now we know how to lock it. So let's get on this road. Here is an issue that I have with this here. Now, when we took it to him, we didn't have a check engine light. Guess what's on? Check engine light. Whatever. I'll call him tomorrow because it's, you know, after closing, and we'll see what's going on with that.